tiaba tiprasani unnoti bagui ni khagui koksa
IPF তিনি জেনারেল সেক্রেটারি তিনি স্যার মেম্বার পর্যাবতিয়া বক্তব্য বর্তমানে মিনিস্টার ফরেস্ট অ্যান্ড ট্রাভেল
Long live, long live, long live. IWP long live, long live, long live. Abisha long live, long live, long live. Equivalent some night, some night, some night. Equivalent from the game for the Kitchen in the Pagaji. The Bishop Yagar Federal Equivalent, Yagar Federal Cover Kuba Lamsoko. Equivalent some night, some night, some night. Equivalent some night, some night, some night.
लाइथानाय मास कनि गोथां रंबुई सारा त्रिपुरायाव गुबुननि पार्टी याकारै जोंनि पार्टी IPFTआव जौदान खायमानि एबा जयनिं प्रग्राम खायमानि आबो थाख्लाया चलिन दङ दिनै अराव पूर्व नवाबादिव काशा जॉइनिंग प्रोग्राम इ जॉइनिंग प्रोग्राम और दिनै 19 परिवारनि 59 भोटार विशेषलायै CPM याकारै BJP याकारै जोंनि पार्टीयाव फायै त्रिपुरानि आन्दोलनाव बर'क सामिल दंफायखा जों पार्टीनि अनगायै अराव जों खावनै दङ प्रेसिडेन्ट ताई जेनेरेल सेक्रेटारि ताई गुबुननि आदं रक MLA रक दङ ताई गुबुननि मिनिस्टार रकनि बुसुखांथि जों दिनै बावनो जोंनि बाना IPF जोंनि बाना याफारै जों बावनो दिनै खाबायखौबाय रामचन्द्र सखा आरो बेजों बिहेसलायै BJPनि कर्मकर्ता दङ बादल देबबर्मा ताई दङ CPMनि निर्वाचित सदस्य विलेज कमिटी सदस्य बंखा दिनै हरिपद देबबर्मा बसह दिनै हय जन खायखा अब सारा त्रिपुरानि पक्षे विशेषलायै सदर उत्तर बौनन अंचल पक्षे खूब एक उत्साहनि ব্যাপার মনে সিজাগো যে সারা त्रिपुरानि जोंनि आदिबासी जनगोष्ठी बर' जतनो दाबो थानसावंगै याब्रे बक्सावंगै आगामी दिनाव गाहाम गाय जबा खायथाङै त्रिपुरानि आदाय खायनायनि एवं बुसुखांनि जे जबा माने इलेक्शन एडिशन इलेक्शन आरो जेकुनु बाबै होक आरो खमुलंगो ताकलाय IPFT इलेक्शन कप्लायंगै आरो क्षमता दखल खायनाय आबोनो समय दिन थांनायखा आसनो हामबाय
Good afternoon everybody. Today once again 9th July 2020 we have a joining program in the presence of our President N.C. Deborma here in Southern North Purbo Nawabadi Toktu Bazar under Southern Subdivision. We have a 19 family and 59 voters. Especially I give my thanks and regard Mr. Badal Deborma. He is a BJP leaders in this locality, and also we have an elected member Haripod Deborma. He is elected member of CPIM. In their leadership, they have joined our party IPFT, and from today onward, they are joining our family. They will become IPFT family, and as you know, in whole over Tripura, not only in the southern subdivision, all over Tripura, there are continuous joining program from different party, especially from BJP, Congress, CPM, are joining to our party IPFT. It is sign of our progress, and people are expecting us that IPFT is the only party in Tripura. We are recognized party in Tripura, can struggle, can fight for the people, for the cause of the people. There is a realization of the people of Tripura. Therefore, not only tribal, even non-tribal and other minority group also joining our party day by day, and we are hopeful in coming election, DC election, definitely IPP party will perform well in the election, and we are planning to have from the government IPP will get majority. That is what we're expecting, and this is a sign of progress. Every day we are getting support from different angle, from different party. Therefore, I congratulate today our Honorable President N.C. Debarma was present in this joining program, and I thanks especially the newcomers who are joining our family today. We'll look after them, and we'll guide them, and we'll treat them as our family members.